The ring is part of your rotary hammer's bit chuck. It fits around the spindle and engages with the steel ball to hold the drill bit in the chuck. Over time, the ring can wear, leading to the bit coming loose from the chuck. Replacing the ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the chuck. The cap is pressed onto the spindle. To remove it, I just pry it away. With the cap removed, now I can remove the spring ring. I'll pull the collar back and use a small screwdriver to pry the ring away from the spindle. With the ring removed, now I can remove the collar. Now I have access to the ring. I can go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new ring. I'll place the ring over the ball and guide washer. Now reinstall the collar. I'll place the chuck cover over the rings. Next, I'll resecure everything with the spring ring. To install the spring ring, I'll place it over the spindle and I'll use a screwdriver to carefully slide the ring over the spindle. Once it's over the front of the spindle, I then need to work it into the groove. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cap. The cap aligns with the spindle and then just presses into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new ring in your rotary hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.